ArcPy! Syntax! Old school! ArcPy is a constant, and then we have a dot and the geoprocessing tool name, followed by an underscore and a toolbox name from where the tool comes from. Show us an example! Sure thing. We have the buffer tool from the analysis toolbox. Syntax! New school! ArcPy is a constant, followed by a dot and a toolbox name from where the tool comes from, followed by another dot and the geoprocessing tool name itself. Our example, please? Absolutely. We have ArcPy dot analysis, which is the toolbox, dot buffer, which is the geoprocessing tool name. Yo, how do we find out more information? Simple. Check out the Esri documentation. For example, here is our buffer geoprocessing tool from the analysis toolbox. If we scroll down, just make sure you're in the Python tab here, and we can see the syntax here and the required parameters for the buffer tool, followed by the optional parameters. Nice one, thanks. No problem. I hope you enjoyed your slice of ArcPy.